Tell me if I need to speak louder because I'm kind of talking quiet right now.
I can hear you fine. Yeah. Hey y'all, today we're gonna be playing Midnight Horrors. Dang it, I messed up again.
Just cut.
No, I didn't mean to. Midnight Hours. Okay. I can't speak.
You just cut.
I didn't mean to.
That was so funny. That was hilarious. I love that. That was funny.
Okay. Okay.
We're playing now. That was fun. That was funny.
Okay,
How
where are
did
we
you even
at?
read it like that? Girl, what?
I don't know.
Hours. Can you say hours?
Hours?
Yay!
Yay!
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh crap, wait, I didn't know that. We're playing. Alright, well, I'm
Okay.
kind of scared, Loki.
Wait, I can't
Oh.
see anything. Oh, I have a flashlight.
Grab your flashlight. You're so
That
funny.
would be smart.
Endings, morning, basement, explosion, house fire, flooded, poisoned, SWAT. Billy?
Yep.
Girl, Billy. I want the ending to be morning because
What the
why
heck?
not? The free?
Unhide. Wait,
You wake up in the dead of the night. Survive until 5 o'clock. Oh, that's why it's called midnight hours. Alright.
It's kind of getting like...
Use internet. The free? Oh, I don't think we really need to do that. The free? Wait, how'd you do that? Oh, it says hide.
Unhide.
But
Your hat,
hours.
your hat is poking through the bed.
Oh, that's cute. Wait, can we both hide under here? Wait, hit hide.
Yeah.
Are you under?
Yeah.
Okay, we can both hide then.
Oh crap. Okay. Oh crap. Wait,
Okay, we're
I
leaving?
should use my...
Hold on. Wait, let me turn up my brightness. Wait, nope, don't
Crap,
turn
the
that door.
door shut.
Wait, let me turn up my brightness. Alright, now I can actually see. Yay!
We gotta like go to the phone call thing.
The Higgin report that's a suspicious activity in your room. The Higgin report that's a suspicious activity in your room. The Higgin report that's a suspicious activity in your room. Please lock the door.
I can't hear what it's saying.
There's suspicious
I stole your
activity.
tree and presents. Okay? The freak? I don't care.
Door. Okay, we're kind of just like running around.
Anything in the toilet? I feel like there's always something in the toilet. There's a light switch. Go like we can. Turn on the water. Why?
Oh. Okay.
Freak, where are you?
In the garage. And why does it like
because
that?
I know where that is. Gasoline.
Poison.
I just picked up gasoline. Why?
What the heck is this?
Oh, wait. Follow the arrow.
Oh,
Wait.
the arrow.
There's an arrow.
There's an arrow.
There was whenever you were holding the poison.
I just said ooh.
I thought that was something happened in the game. I was about to cry.
Okay, bye. Come on. Okay. I was not ready for that. We probably should have like...
Wait, what do we do? Wait, what?
I'm dead. My body
wait,
is
it's not
kind of
even
eating.
scary.
It kind of just like appeared out of nowhere.
Wait, do we have to like restart now?
Did you die?
Yeah?
New game if you want to play again.
Alright, hit new game.
Okay.
Alright. I'm not playing. If you die, I'm not gonna continue to play because I'm not playing by myself.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
insane.
Maybe
So
we
if
gotta,
you
like,
go down, I'll go down there. Wait, there's a lighter. Girl, how did we miss that the first time? Wait, no, we gotta like.
We're kind of blind.
Okay.
Endings. You wake up in the dead of the night. Survive until 5 o'clock.
We died at 2, so I mean, we kind of suck. That dog stuff. Where are you going?
Hey, you can lock the door. I locked the door.
How do you know if it's on its way? The crap did you go?
Right here.
Okay, wait. Don't move.
You just know.
Let me turn on. I'm turning on my volume because the phone.
Hey, there's a note. I stole your tree and present. What?
I literally told you that.
Wait, you did?
There have been reports of suspicious activity in your neighborhood. Please lock your doors and call.
Oh,
Oh, it says
I already
lock the
did that.
doors.
It's because I'm literally good.
Did it say unlock the doors or lock the doors?
Lock.
So are they all locked?
I think so. Okay, I heard a scream.
Yeah, that kind of scares me.
Okay, we're gonna shut. Oh, no, I just shut you in. Okay. There should be
I
like.
don't like this.
Oh, I forgot we could hide. We can hide up in here. Just like. Yeah.
Wait,
the door, 'cause I'm
don't
not
leave me.
kinda scared.
Are you hiding? Where are you?
I'm not hiding. You scared me.
Stop, I don't like this.
You like it?
like, look here, it's kind of scary. And like, what's that noise? I don't like that noise.
It's me walking.
No, it's like noise.
I'm pretty sure that's like screaming.
Dude,
If it's
scared.
not
My
that,
heart's
then I
beating
don't
so
know what
fast.
it is.
Dude, the Nightlight game was so easy. Like, nothing about it was scary, but like this is kind of scary. Okay. It's just because of the way that it's like set up. Like, it's set up like a horror game, and I don't like it.
What the heck did I just find? I found like. Wait. I'm gonna be right back because literally I can't see anything. I'm back. Okay. Wait, where am I at? Okay.
Wait for me.
It says
We gotta go answer that phone.
175033. Yeah.
So, we gotta answer the phone.
Okay. Okay.
That was cool.
Really?
Where do we go?
Go, stop. Actually, stop.
Where are you?
I'm in the room. Now I'm not in the
I
room.
know where everything is. Where are you?
Stop, I don't know. Wait, I'm in the room. Where are you at?
I'm in that one hiding spot.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm right here. Oh,
Stop,
you shut the door
stop.
on me. Is it in the room?
I don't know. I just heard something.
I think it was probably me because I'm hiding. I'm hiding in that closet.
We're literally too good.
Yeah, I'm right here. Girl, why
Yeah,
are you
so
keep-
because if it comes in here, I'm gonna like hide, you know?
Well, why are we
But
just
we
sitting
did
here
lock the
whenever
doors,
it's
but, like-
happening? Nothing is happening.
We don't, like-
We're just sitting here
Okay,
like
wait.
chickens.
Rude.
Wait, can I get up?
I don't know, can you?
I'm
Stop.
gonna get up, and then it's gonna be right there in the second I get up. And then I won't have enough time to hide again. That's what's gonna happen. Are you hiding or are you up?
I'm hiding under the bed. What the
I'm
fuck
just gonna hide
is
for the rest of
happening?
eternity. Okay, wait, can we unhide now? And like do something? Alright, I'm up. Stop. I don't like this.
Stop!
Oh. Okay.
Wait.
Oh.
Come on, come on.
Don't say my name, remember?
Yeah.
There's an axe in the backyard. Use it to chop down the basement door.
Well, what if I don't want to go in the backyard?
I don't even understand what it said.
I don't even remember what it said. Things besides backyard.
I didn't hear anything.
Stop! Stop!
My legs are shaking. Dude. Dude.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you scared me. You just spawned.
Wait,
Stop.
okay. I think we're good.
Glass broke and that scared me.
I think we're good. Pepper, come on. Why'd you say it like that?
Pepper, come on.
Where's the backyard?
Up your butt.
I don't think it's there.
It's right there in front of your face.
Wait,
Right there.
that's the basement door. Wait, do we go in there? We go back here.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Click the gifts.
I already clicked one. Wait, what am I doing?
I just picked up the
Stop!
The free?
We need a key.
Do you have your flashlight out?
Stop.
I'm hiding. Hi. Are you dead?
No, it's freaking in front of me.
So
But why do you
hi.
scream like that? I can't. I can't move.
Do
Okay.
not move.
I'm not moving.
Wait, show me your screen. Show me your screen.
I'm scared. Hey, we did it.
Oh, wait, did we just survive?
Yeah. Wait.
Oh, we're so good.
Yeah.
I guess that's the end of
But
the
that's
video. then.
only one ending, but okay. Are we ending the video?
Do you want to keep going?
Dude. Yo? Oh, crap.
I don't know. Hey, you're actually wearing your glasses.
Yeah, I can't see.
Valid. Okay, are we still playing or what?
Yeah, let's do a part 2.
Alright.
You can, like, say what? You can say it, yeah. Yep, go to part 2. You didn't say anything.